Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, Libras, I'll be picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, guys. And I'll be picking one card from the other deck for your relationship and one card for your career situation, guys, Libras. So let's start with the general reading, guys. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy, guys. So we have Knight of Swords, Page of Pentacles in reverse, and Ace of Pentacles in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Libras, you are a person who has confidence, skill and courage, and you are a person who stands by people or your beliefs or ideals, and you defend them. And maybe when you trust someone, you trust them totally and you believe them totally, guys. So in your situation today, guys, there is some kind of worries or troubles because someone you trust, maybe they are not so trustworthy, and you trust them, you have that total belief on them, but they are not such a person, guys. So you need to be careful, Libras. If you have faith on someone, you have to be very clear whether this person is true to their heart, whether they are truthful, whether they are honest. So you have to have that clear understanding. Without that, you should not jump into some decisions or some conclusions today, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Let's see what is the card for your relationship first. So we have why. So this just means that you have to understand the motives you have in your heart when you are in a connection, in a situation today, guys. So Libras, maybe if your answer is love for this relationship, if that answer is love, that is the reason you are with them, then you can take the next step forward in this love, guys. But if it is not, if you are not with this person for love, you need to think clearly whether you need this connection. So that is what this card is about, guys, Libra. So you should think clearly before you put your heart and soul and trust on this person, guys, whether you need this person. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, Libras. We have no place like home. So this again just means that having that truthful intentions and truthful actions. So whatever you are doing today, it should be based on the truth you have in your heart. So any goals or aspirations, when you are making those efforts to reach those goals, it is going to succeed. And when you are truthful to your intentions, that positive intentions, working with that authenticity that is there in your heart, you are going to be successful, guys. And even if you are not going to reach success, you have made the truthful choice in your career and truthful actions, so that is not going to take you somewhere bad, guys. Maybe this may be a small failure today, but it has taught you a valuable lesson, and you will come out of this situation much more strongly than before, guys. But you are true to yourself, so that is what is important, Libras. That is the reading with these cards, guys. So if you are interested to watch the pick a card love reading, stay tuned for that. That is coming up right now, Libras. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first deck and this is your second deck. So Whatever your situation is, you can think about it in your mind, meditate for a few seconds in silence, then choose the card that comes to you first, so that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay guys, so now let's start with the first card. So what do we have here? Petalite. So this is the oracle card for you all, for your situation, guys. It may be something in your career or personal life, in this relationship. So this card just means that you have to be a witness today. Observe your situation from a distance. Maybe when we are too close to our situation, we are emotional and we may not see, we may not be able to analyze the details and motives for that, what is making that other person behave in such a way and what is triggering them today. And we may not have that clarity because we are too close to that person or too close to our situation. So we need to step back if you want a clear vision, that clarity in your circumstance. If you are a witness, if you become a witness today, you will simply see things more clearly and you will know what is the right action today in your life or in this connection. So what has to be done, you will know, and you will be able to fix things, guys. So that is what this card is about. So this card invites us to give space, make space for ourselves, so we'll be able to listen to the right things and we'll be able to fix our circumstance. So let it be something in our career or something in our personal life. So we have to step out of that emotional behavior that we have that detachment in our heart and see our situation from a different perspective. So that way we will get that clarity, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So for those who have chosen this card, so let's see what is the second card. For those who have chosen this card, it is Snow White, purity. So that is what this card is about, guys. It stands for purity, triumph of that pure heart today. And whatever challenges or whatever difficult circumstances you are facing, you will not change. You stand by your ideals with that truth that you have in your heart, and you are a very trustworthy and loving person, caring. You are devoted to the people you have in your life. It may be friends or this person you love. You are kind, and your innocence, your uncorrupted heart will shine through difficult times you are facing in your life, guys. So even when people around you are trying to harm you in some ways, you you bounce back much more stronger, much more mature, and much more ripened with that light of experience. And you have people with evil intentions towards you, around you, but it has not made the way into your heart. So you do not reciprocate their jealousy, envy, or their bad intentions. So you have that goodness in your heart, and you are a very trustworthy and loyal person, pure heart, guys. So in your life, you may be in some difficult situation right now, but you are going to come out of it shining bright, showing people around you what you are made of, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who have chosen the second card, this stands for purity and triumph of the pure heart. So you are a person with pure intentions, and there is never going to be a failure in your life, because you are a person who is really truthful to what you have in your heart, and you stand by your values and ideals. So that is what I see with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.